Today we discussed about zoology record work. First we start our record through the taxonomy. First portion, taxonomy. The first specimen, Hydra. This Hydra belong to kingdom Animalia and phylum Coelenterata. What are the peculiarities of phylum Coelenterata? We also prepared for Viva. What are the peculiarities of phylum Coelenterata? Phylum Coelenterata. Body with no head and no segmentation. Body with no head portion and also there is no segmentation or metamerism. Body wall two-layered, external epidermis and inner gastrodermis. Jelly-like non-cellular mesogloia seen in between these two body layers. This phylum also known as Cnidarians. Coelenterata also known as Cnidarians because cnidoblastus or stinging cells are seen in tentacles. These are the tentacles. Cnidoblastus or stinging cells seen in tentacles. They filled with poison. These are Hydra is freshwater form and also a carnivorous animal. So they paralyze the prey using the poison that in the tentacles. That is cnidoblastus. That is in cnidoblastus. Reproduction mainly through budding. Buds are arising from their body. They are solitary polyp forms. They are solitary. They are seen in individually and they are also polyp form. They can attach on the substratum. They are radially symmetrical. They shows radial symmetry. We get two equal parts when we cut through the longitudinal section. We get many equal parts. So they are radially symmetrical. Most of the cnidarians are saline, live in saline water, but Hydra are freshwater forms. If we choose some points for record work, that is Hydra is a freshwater solitary polyp form and they are cylindrids. The body is radially symmetrical. That is very important. Diploblastic, tubular forms and cylindrical. Body divided into basic, disc, column and hypostome. At the tip of the hypostome, mouth is situated. We can see tentacles and a column-like body. The second specimen, that is tapeworm. They also include kingdom Animalia, phylum Platyhelminthes. They are flatworms. Platyhelminthes means flatworms. Body is elongate, soft bodied, dorsoventrally flattened, without true segmentation. This is not a true segmentation. Suckers and hooks are also seen in their head portion. That is, this head portion is known as scolex. hooks and suckers seen in Scolex. Suckers or hooks or both for attachment to the body of the host. They are completely parasite forms. So, hooks and suckers are seen on the head portion. Sex is usually united. That means male and female reproductive parts are seen in same organism. Alimentary canal has only one opening, that is mouth. There is no anus. In some forms, example tapeworms, there is no alimentary canal at all. In this case, there is no alimentary canal at all, but only mouth is seen. Then, for important points, they are dorsoventrally flat-ended, bilaterally symmetrical. They are dorsoventrally flat-ended. So, we only get two equal halves when we cut through the longitudinal section. We only get two equal parts. So, they are bilaterally symmetrical. Triploblastic. There are three layers, body layers. As coelomate, there is no body cavity. So, they are acoelomates. Coelom means body cavity. In this case, there is no body cavity or coelom is present, so they are acoelomate. Endoparasite. They live in the body of other hostess. They are completely parasite. They mainly seen in the digestive tract of human, pig, cattle, dog, etc. The hydra and tapeworm and some other examples are non-chordates. Notochord not present in their life cycle. The third specimen, that is roundworms. Roundworms, also known as Ascaris. Kingdom Animalia. Non-chordates, there is no notochord present. Phylum Aschelminthes. What are the peculiarities of Aschelminthes? These roundworms are included in class Nematoda. Nematoda is a part of phylum Aschelminthes. Body elongated, cylindrical or round. So they are known as roundworms. Body is elongated, cylindrical and round. Body cavity is a pseudocoelom. That means false body cavity. There is a, if we dissect it, we can't see the body cavity, but it looks like a cavity that filled with some sort of cells. So they are pseudocoeloms, pseudocoelomates. There is no true body cavity seen in these Aschelminthes or nematodes. Sexes separate, that means dioecious. They are dioecious. Male are smaller than, these are male and this female. Males are smaller than females. Alimentary canal open at two ends. That means mouth and anus present. Mostly parasite. Most of the members of class Nematoda are parasitic, but some of them are free living. These are parasites. Ascaris is common roundworm. This is known as Ascaris is known as common roundworm. They are parasitic in the intestine of humans. Then identifying characters. Ascaris is an intestinal parasite of human. The body is long, cylindrical and pointed at the end. pointed ends. The body cavity is a pseudocele. There is a false body cavity seen in this, so known as pseudocoelomate. Next specimen, that is earthworm. Earthworm, kingdom Animalia, and phylum Annelida. They are also non-chordate. What are the peculiarities of this phylum Annelida? Body is elongated, segmented. Metamerism is seen, that is true segmentation seen in this specimen. Elongated, segmented. Coelomate, that means a true body cavity, coelom present in this case. And setae helps for setae, helps for locomotion. Setae means the circular and longitudinal muscles, helps for movement. Well developed digestive system. The digestive system is well developed with alimentary canal open at both at two ends. That means alimentary canal, digestive system open at mouth and anus, and with anus. Start with the mouth. Excretory system nephridia. Here develop an excretory system that is known as nephridia, helps for osmoregulation. That means that is the function of nephridia exactly like the function of kidney in our case, osmoregulation. That means fluid balance, keep fluid balance. Osmoregulation means fluid and salt balance. Sexes united in case of earthworm. Sexes united in case of earthworms. That means monoecious. Male and female reproductive part is seen in same organism. That means monoecious. They live in wet soil. The identifying features, earthworm is terrestrial annelids. They belong to phylum Annelida, living in burrows or moist soil. Organic rich moist soil. They live in organic rich moist soil. Body is elongated, cylindrical and segmented. Respiration through skin. They live in moist soil and aeration through the skin. Such type of respiration is known as cutaneous respiration. The gaseous exchange took place through the moist body. So such a type of respiration is known as cutaneous respiration. Today we discussed 5 segments. Next day we can complete other parts. If you like this portion, please like and subscribe our channel. You can utilize +1 and +2 all portions in our channel. You can utilize it. Please share to your friends also.